Glad påsk. Påsk is a Swedish tradition, as any other Swedish tradition, where you get together with family and friends. And it's also all about for the kids. During Easter, you might see Easter bunnies running around, but more likely you will see påskkärring. And that is like an Easter witch that walk down the streets. And also they knock the doors on the houses and kind of do the trick and treat and ask for candies. Easter is also about the food, of course. And in Easter we eat a lot of eggs and egg dishes. Herring, lamb, salmon, bread, and of course sweets. Swedish people love candy. So of course during Easter we eat a lot of candies, especially pick and mix. In average we eat approximately 15 kilos sweets every year per person.
Glad påsk!
Oh, a påskkärring.
Jajamän.
So what do you want?
Do you have any candy?
Of course. So there you go.
Tack! Glad påsk!
Glad påsk. Bye bye.
Bye bye!
Glad påsk. Glad påsk. Glad påsk.